Hello, welcome to um Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates, guys. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Please do comment down below, ha. Kahit po heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay na yun sa akin, guys. Hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano ninyo ako napapasaya pag nagko-comment kayo. So, start na natin. Air sign. Isang shuffle na lang. Thank you. Okay, air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Page of Cups is here. Five of Cups. Three of Wands. King of Pentacles. Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands. Okay. Actually, nakakita ko ng maybe a person in the past. Maybe this is a soulmate. Maybe this is a puppy love para sa iba. Sobrang bata ng energy na parang maybe may childhood memories ka with this person. Or you do have a child with this person. Pwedeng ganong energy. Maybe an ex-husband, ex-wife. Sobrang ito yung nakakapagpalungkot sa'yo kasi maybe you're thinking about this person, naalala mo siya, nakikita mo yung paglayo niya, pag-iwas niya. But I feel like you have already moved on with the Six of Swords. Naka-move on ka na eh. With the King of Pentacles, kung ano man yung mga meron ka ngayon, wala siya doon. Kumbaga, if you do have this stability with you right now, wherein yung iba meron may nakukuha tayo na karespeto ka, maganda yung career mo, or maybe you are already stable, wala naman yung person na yun, hindi naman siya parte ng stability mo ngayon, ng career mo ngayon, or nung ano meron ka. You're gaining respect sa sarili mo lang nang wala itong taong to. Maybe nalulungkot ka lang dito sa person na ito dahil wala siya. And maybe gusto mo rin, or maybe in the past nag-hope ka na sana nandun siya, na pareho kaming mag-level up together, but then this person wala na anong gagawin natin? So anyway, good thing is naka-move on ka na. Diba? Kung meron mga pag-iisip na lang yan regarding the past. Kung may lungkot man, konting lungkot na lang, hindi na masyado. So anyway, tell me more for air sign, please. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. For air sign, please. By the way, kung may nakikita ka sulat sa kamay ko, that's travel lines. If you want to know more about that, view mo na lang yung video ko na in-upload regarding dyan. Travel lines. Ka-upload ko lang sa Unicorn Princess Tarot, at sa TikTok ko siya in-upload. Also in Instagram. No, not in Instagram. Facebook page. Manghuhula ng Kapalaran by Unicorn Princess Tarot. Anyway, Ace of Wands is here. Temperance, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. One more card, please. One more card. By the way, I don't know, for some of you, this could be a reading kung may something to do with body odor. So, maybe may mga sinerge ka regarding doon, yung sa body odor, or may nagsabi sa'yo, or alam mo sa sarili mo na kailangan mo na ng ligo or maybe may nagsabi sa'yo ng na may ganyan ka or may kinausap ka regarding dito. So, kaya this could be your reading. Anyway, the Ace of Wands, I can see new beginnings for you. And with the Temperance card, a lot of energy, actually. So, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, parang ito yung perfect na takbo ng buhay mo. Dapat, maybe may mga hobby ka ngayon, kinds of food na kinakain mo, tinanggal mo sa diet mo, etc. Parang yan yung mas magmamatch for you. Mas okay sa'yo yung ganyan. Okay? With the Queen of Pentacles, Stars, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Yan, kanina pa yan. That's the King and Queen of Pentacles. That's status, money, stability. And I can see you being happy with what you have right now. Tsaka hindi magulo, maayos yung buhay na nakukuha ko sa'yo. There's peacefulness. Because maybe, natutunan mo na ngang i-let go kung ano man. Or maybe naka-move on ka na nga and natutunan mong i-let go itong mga tao na hindi naman deserve ng attention mo. Maybe because you are the kind of person, pag nagbigay ka lahat. And kung sino man itong mga pinagbigyan mo in the past, ng lahat mo, and then wala ka nakuha pabalik sa kanila, okay lang yun. You don't deserve them. Knight of Pentacles, there's an offer of love for you na paparating. Nakikita natin, there's, especially with the Lovers, Gemini energy, hindi lang yan basta offer of love. It's like material ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. With regards to love, someone magbibigay ng something. Like maybe para i-spoil ka. Bibigyan ka niya ng gift na para mas maging masaya yung relationship ninyo sa isa't isa. Connection ninyo sa isa't isa. I can see you being contented sa kind of relationship and connection with this new person. Yung iba, that's a new person, pero yung iba, maybe connection na nagsisimula muli. Yeah, the Chariot is here, Cancer energy. There's high chance of pagta-travel for you. Meron tayong mga challenges na nakikita. Actually, hindi challenges, but rather kalaban. Maybe sa career. Pag sinabing, if you do have a business, especially with the Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles energy, maybe yon, pwedeng may makatunggali ka. Pero hindi ito threat sa'yo eh. Ayan, especially the King of Wands is here. This is all about business energy, career. Mas marami kang kayang i-offer, kaya hindi ito threat sa'yo. Pero nakikita natin na nakikipagkompetensya ka pa rin talaga. So, ini-improve mo kung ano man yung meron sa'yo, sa career mo, sa business mo. And, although talong-talo mo kung ano man ito, kung sino man ito, mas maganda kasi mas lalo ka nag-i-improve pa. Maganda doon, di ka nakakampante. In the near future, for ear sign, ano yung naghihintay sa future? For you, you do over the Four of Swords, Ace of Cups, Queen of Cups, one more card. The Two of Cups is here. Sa love talagang ang ganda ng sinasabi dito. There's new love for you. What's with the Eight of Swords? This is the past energy. Hindi nagiging okay ang buhay niya. The Five of Pentacles and the Emperor. This is the person na parang hindi siya yung mismong may kasalanan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng separation sa inyo. Pwedeng iniwan ka niya sa ere, biglang ganyan, biglang maybe you've waited for this person. Pero ngayon, in the future, nakita natin na nagkakaroon siya ng problema. I can see pagka-lugi or pagkawala ng pera. And also at the same time, the Emperor, masyado kasi siyang matigas eh. Feeling niya hindi siya kailangan. Hindi kanya kailangan. Pero, I can see failure pagdating sa career, paghahanap ng trabaho, masyadong mahirap for this person. It's like his or her karma kasi parang binaliwala ka niya. Okay? So, kinakarma siya. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.